Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I am Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Let's look at today's top medical news. Hormonal therapy, a new frontier in preventing wrinkles and hair graying, reports study. Hormones may be leveraged to treat and prevent signs of aging such as wrinkles and hair graying, according to a new study published in the Endocrine Society journal Endocrine Reviews. Until now, only a limited number of hormones, mainly topical retinoids, retinol and tretinoin, and estrogen, which is typically used to treat side effects of menopause, have been used in clinical practice as anti-skin aging compounds. This study reviews a new class of hormones and their anti-aging properties. To better understand the connection between hormones and skin aging, the researchers studied the pivotal hormones controlling skin aging, including insulin-like growth factor 1, growth hormone, estrogens, retinoids, and melatonin. Melatonin is especially interesting as a potential anti-skin aging substance as it is a small molecule, inexpensive, well-tolerated, and a direct and indirect antioxidant as well as a regulator of mitochondrial metabolism. Study reveals young women endure menopause symptoms in silence. More than half of women ages 30 to 35 are already suffering moderate to severe symptoms associated with menopause, yet most women are waiting decades before seeking treatment, new research from UVA Health and the Flow Women's Health app reveals. The research sheds important light on perimenopause, the transition period leading to menopause. Many women in perimenopause assume they're too young to be suffering symptoms related to menopause, believing that symptoms won't appear until they reach their 50s. But this mistaken belief, the researchers say, only causes women to suffer in silence. The new study analyzes symptoms self-reported by more than 4,400 American women ages 30 and older who responded to a survey conducted online and in the Flow app. Breast-conserving surgery boosts sexual well-being over reconstruction, study finds. For women with breast cancer, breast-conserving therapy, BCT, is associated with improved sexual well-being compared to mastectomy followed by breast reconstruction, reports a study in the March issue of Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery Registered Trademark Symbol, the official medical journal of the American Society of Plastic Surgeons. Many women with breast cancer have sexual health concerns. In previous studies, up to 85% of breast cancer patients report sexual dysfunction, but few receive any medical guidance for sexual dysfunction. For many patients, DCT, sometimes called lumpectomy, offers an effective alternative to mastectomy. For those who undergo mastectomy, breast reconstruction has established benefits in terms of quality of life and self-esteem. Pilot study suggests promising treatment for cognitive improvement in Alzheimer's risk group. A new pilot study known as Stamina, Senolytics to alleviate mobility issues and neurological impairments in aging, that focused on the effects of senolytic medications, dasatinib and quercetin, DQ, which remove old senescent cells from the body, suggests that intermittent treatment may hold promise for improving cognitive function in older adults at risk of Alzheimer's disease. Published in the Biomedicine journal, the research explored the effects of DQ on cognition and mobility in individuals with mild cognitive impairment, MCI, and slow gait, which are conditions linked to increased risk of Alzheimer's disease. Over 12 weeks, 12 participants took a combination of dasatinib 100 mg and quercetin 1250 mg for 2 days every 2 weeks. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest update.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.